In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify payments stuck on pending. It's a common issue that can cause unnecessary stress for store owners, and resolving it promptly is crucial to maintain a smooth transaction process for your customers. So, let's dive in and sort this out together. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the Orders section, usually found in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent orders, including those with payments stuck on pending. It's important to identify which orders are experiencing the issue, so take a moment to carefully review the order details. Once you've identified the problematic orders, the next step is to compare the order details with the payment provider's information. Navigate to the specific payment gateway platform you're using, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify Payments itself. Ensure that all the transaction details match what's shown in your Shopify admin. Sometimes, simple mismatches in transaction IDs or amounts can cause this kind of issue. This step ensures that there is no discrepancy that might have triggered the pending status. Now, you want to verify that the customer's payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Reach out to the customer, if necessary, to confirm that there were no bank-specific issues like insufficient funds or flagged transactions. If everything checks out with the payment provider and the customer, then the problem might indeed be with Shopify itself. Next, let's rule out any potential issues on your end by checking for updates. Ensure your Shopify account and any integrated payment gateways are up to date. Sometimes, outdated software can lead to glitches like payments getting stuck. If there's an available update, download and apply it to keep everything operating smoothly. If you've followed these steps and the payment is still pending, it's time to escalate the issue to Shopify support. When contacting them, provide as much detail as possible about the affected order, such as the order ID, payment gateway used, and any relevant notes from your communication with the customer. This information will help Shopify support investigate the issue more efficiently. While waiting for a resolution, it's always a good idea to inform your customer of the situation. Send them a polite message explaining the delay and reassuring them that you're taking steps to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Transparent communication helps maintain trust and prevents dissatisfaction. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving payment issues with pending status in your Shopify store. Keep these strategies in mind whenever similar problems arise, and you'll be better prepared to handle them efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.